tries to win the day.
On this episode, we're doing delicious chicken pillows. In your least stained bowl, 1 pound of shredded chicken, 1 block of cream cheese, buddy with the membership, crumbled bacon, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, green onion, season with what you like. I'm going to use Impress the Mrs. chicken rub, some good, mix it up, open your 2 croissant tubes, please don't blow up. Jesus. So basically you're gonna get 2 of your triangles, put them together, squat down the middle, add some chicken, and carefully roll them up. Tuck in your edges. Buddy with the pillow. Looking good. Crush some grapes. Perfect. Dip your pillow in your egg wash and then roll them in your crackers. Add them to a pan. A little spray of oil, one of my new favorite things in the kitchen, Zero cooking spray from Supplement King, 2 calories per serving. Put it in the oven on 375 for 25 minutes. See you in a bit. While we're waiting, we're gonna make our gravy. 1 can of cream of chicken. Get out. Bye. Half a can of cream. 1 chicken bouillon. Give her a stir. Take them out. Can't even look at you. You're too beautiful. Get it in you. What a dear Pat.